Hey everyone, I'm Shafayat from Unlocktherapy. Today we're going to talk about how you can unlock a disabled iPhone without using iTunes or a computer. Whether you're stuck and can't access your device or just want to be prepared for the future, I've got a couple of methods that'll get you back into your iPhone in no time. Method 1. Using Find My iPhone on another device. Step 1. First, grab another iPhone or iPad and download the Find My iPhone app from the App Store. Step 2. Once downloaded, open the app and sign in with your Apple ID, the same one that's linked to your disabled iPhone. Step 3. After logging in, you'll see a list of your devices. Go ahead and tap on the disabled iPhone. Step 4. Next, tap on Actions at the bottom, then select Erase iPhone. This will wipe your iPhone clean, including the passcode that's locking you out. Step 5. Once the erasure is complete, you can set up your iPhone as new or restore it from an iCloud backup if you have one available. Method 2. Using iCloud on a web browser. Step 1. Open up a web browser on any device, your computer, tablet, or even a friend's phone, and go to icloud.com. Step 2. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Step 3. Once logged in, click on Find iPhone and then select all devices to find your disabled iPhone. Step 4. Click on Erase iPhone to remove the passcode and erase all data from your device. Step 5. After that's done, set up your iPhone anew or restore it from an iCloud backup. Important notes: data loss. Keep in mind that both of these methods will erase everything on your iPhone, so make sure you have backups if you want to recover your data later. Find My iPhone requirement. Also, note that these methods will only work if you had Find My iPhone enabled on your device before it was disabled. And that's it. With these steps, you can unlock your disabled iPhone without needing iTunes or a computer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. For more surprising information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.